How to create rows chart in CapCut. The first thing you want to do is open up CapCut in your laptop or PC. Now select Create Project option. Then from the top you want to click on Stickers. Now select the Charts option, which is available in the free version of CapCut as well. Now click on the Charts option and from there select Rows Chart. It's going to look something like this. Now you want to enter the data format requirements over here. For this video, I'm going to enter the country and GDP. Go ahead and do that for all the required fields. Once you've entered all the data, next thing you can do is click on the settings icon over here. Then go ahead and enter a title for this chart. Once that is done, you can also edit the font and font style. Then you can also change the data selection options such as value field name and category field name. Then you can head over to the style and animation section. Go ahead and select your theme. You can also change the pie chart style from here, such as inner radius, outer radius. You can also change the sector rounded corners or sector spacing from here. You also have the option of colors. Go ahead and select your color theme or background from here. Once you're happy with the result, click on the Add to Timeline option. Now you can edit this however you want. And this is how you can create a rows chart in CapCut, and that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more contents like this.